Today we're working on a 1970 Chevelle SS with a 454 big block. We're installing a set of headers. Here you got Dom getting ready to install the other set of headers, factory headers. We're also installing a Woodward Hydro Boost brake system on this hot black 1970 Chevelle SS.
Hey, Darren, don't just stand there.
This 70 Chevelle has got a 4-speed manual shift with a gorgeous black paint job. Beautiful wheels, custom stripes here at MuscleCar Garage. Okay, this looks like it though.
Yep.
Okay. Left bank is done. All right. Band it up like this here. Look on the back side, it's down. This side here. You good?
Yeah, we good. We good.
Perfect.
Yeah,
This,
we're good.
Chrome polished power steering pump on this 1970 Super Sport Chevelle. I'm gonna need you to take the light so we can get the brackets aligned and the fitting right. Okay.
You got enough light?
Yeah. All right, this is Steve from MuscleCar Garage. This is a continuous video on the 1970 Chevelle. The headers are in. Now we're putting in the Hydro Boost. The Hydro Boost is just about done. Once this is done, we have a set of exhaust cutouts that are going to go in to give this monster a new sound.